Hello, welcome to Math with Miss Faiza. So now we will learn on how to simplifying algebraic expression. Simplifying. What does it mean by simplifying? Meaning that you have to simplify your answer into smaller answer. So we'll get into a shorter answer. So first thing that we do is we combine like terms. What does it mean by like terms? Like terms meaning, for example, that we have here, number 1, here we have 4x plus 5. So combining the like terms, meaning that we combine the one with the terms that is the same. So for here we have x, and then this one we also have x. So this one we can combine together. The one without the variable x or with other types of variable like y, so we cannot combine together. Unless it is x, then we can combine together. So for this one, we can combine 4x plus x. X meaning here is actually it means 1, right? So 4 plus 1, we will get 5, and the variables at the back is x, and then plus 5. So this is the answer. We cannot get any simpler, so this is the answer. Now let's try number 2. We have a plus 8 plus 5a minus 3. So we find out which is the like terms. Like terms here is a and a here, and then we have 8 and 3 here. Okay, so then we can do is a plus 5a, because a here is a, and then 5a here is the operation for the number. Let's say this one here, 5a, the operation is in front of it, meaning that on the left hand side of it. So in front of the 5a is positive, it's plus, so a would be plus 5a. And then for a, we know a in front of a is plus, so that means this is the operation for number 8, it's plus, so we put plus 8. And then for 3, we have here is negative, so that means the operation for 3 here is negative, so we put negative 3. So a plus 5a, that would mean 6a, and then 8 minus 3 is, we get 5. Since 5 is positive, so that would mean 6a plus 5. Plus 8 minus 3, we get a positive 5. So that is the answer. So the number 3. Z plus 2z minus 4z. All of these are the same term, so we can just add straight away. Z plus 2, we will get 3z minus 4z. So 3z minus 4z, that would mean it's negative 1. Or we can say negative z. So that is the answer. For number 4, 15xy plus 4x minus 18 minus 3xy minus 3x. Okay, so here we have 3 terms that is not the same. 3 different terms. We have xy, we have x, and the one without the variable at all. So now we can combine. First thing, we can combine the xy. So 15xy, we can combine with its 3xy here. So the 3xy, the operation for 3xy is minus. Since the minus here is in front of the 3xy, so it would be minus 3xy. And then for 4x, it's plus, because in front of the 4x is plus, so that would mean plus 4x. And then the x here is 3x, in front of it is minus, so that would mean minus 3x. Then the final one is the number without the variable. So the number without the variable, we know is 18. The operation in front of this number is negative, so we put negative 18. So our final answer would be 15xy minus 3xy. That would mean 15 minus 3 is 12xy. So we are done with this. And then 4x minus 3x. Positive 4x minus 3x, we will get a positive 1. So that will mean positive x. Then minus 18. So that is our final answer. Then for number 5, we have same as number 4, we have 3 terms, different terms. We have w square, we have the one without the variable, and then we have w. Okay, so for this one, can do is 10w square. We need to add with the w square here because this one here is positive, so that one positive 6w square. And then we can put the variable, the one with the variable first, minus 3w because this is minus. In front of 3w is minus. In front of negative 4 also minus. In front of 4 is also minus, so that would mean minus 4. So then 10 plus 6, that would mean 16w square minus 3w minus 4. So that is the answer. Okay, let's check on multiplication and division. So how do we simplify this? We have 45xyz plus 5xyz divided by 5xz. Okay, when we have addition, so first thing first, we need to solve the one at top first, the one at the top first. So we solve the one at the top, that would mean 45 plus 5. Since we have the same variable here, xyz, this one also xyz, so we can combine together. These are the like terms, so we can combine together. 45 plus 5, that will mean 50xyz divided by 5xz. So 50 divided by 5, we will get an answer of 10. 50 divided by 5, we get 10. xyz divided by xz, it means we need to try to do one by one. X divided by x. X, we know when x, it means x power of 1 divided by x power of 1. Alright, so then that means the power is actually when we have divide and we have division, the power means it's minus. So 1 power of 1 here minus 1. So that would mean x power of 0, which also means power of 0. Anything with power of 0, it means 1. So then, meaning that we have to cancel straight away. That means the x is no longer there because it means 1. It doesn't mean x, it means 1. 10 times 1, you get 10 too. So we just 10 times 1. And then y divided by nothing, meaning that y is still there. Because y is still there because it is not cancelled. It is not reducing anything. Y power of 1 divided by 1. Still y power of 1. So we still have the y. And now z divided by z, same thing. Z divided by z, you can cancel that. It will leave with 1. So that is 1. So the final answer would be 10y. So because this one you can cancel. Okay, so now for number 2. Same thing you do. We have 28 times 3. When we have multiplication, whatever with multiplication or division, we can just calculate the value. Meaning that the value here, we can just calculate. 28 times 3 divided by 2. We can do first 84. So at the top, it would be 84 x cubed yz times xyz. Okay, when we have multiplication, so for the x cubed, it will multiply by the x. So x cubed multiplied by x, it would mean x here is power of 1, remember? So then x power of 3, for multiplication, we can just add the power. So 3 plus 1. So we'll get x power of 4. So x power of 4 here for y times y power of 1 times y power of 1, we will get y power of 2. Z times z, we will get z power of 2. And divided by 2xz squared. So then 84 divided by 2, we will get 42. 42, x power of 4 divided by x, meaning x power of 4 minus power of 1. So that would mean we left with 3. So then y we don't have anything to divide with, so y squared divided by 1, we still have y squared, and then z squared divided by z squared, meaning that 2 minus 2 we will get 0, so that means 1. So our final answer is this, 42x cubed y squared. And for number 3, 12 times 3ab squared c divided by 9. So 12 times 3 we will get 36ab squared c divided by 9abc squared. So for this one, 36 divided by 9, we will get 4. So 4. So 4, a divided by a, we can cancel a divided by a, that means 1. B squared divided by b, we will get b2 minus 1. So that will mean we will have b power of 1. C over c squared. So this one, we have c power of 1 divided by c power of 2. So then, it also means c 1 minus 2. Division meaning it minus. So we will get c negative 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So when we have this one, it means 1 over c. So when we have power of negative 1, power of negative 2, let's say we also have c power of negative 2, that is also mean 1 over c squared. So this one is 1 over c power of 1, but we just don't put the 1 lah. This one 1 over c squared. But for our answer here, we have 1 over c1. 1 over c power of 1. So we can just put 1 over c power of 1. Or we can just make the answer 4b divided by c. Okay. So for number 4, same thing. 6xy squared z. So 6xy squared, here we have square. This one we have square of 6xy. Meaning 6 needs to be square, x needs to be square, y also needs to be square. So that is what it means by 6xy square here. When you have your bracket is outside the 6xy and you have the square outside of the bracket, so this is what it means, 6 square, x square, y square. And then z divided by 2xz square. So then 6 square, that would mean 36 x square y square z divided by 2xz square. So 36 divided by 2, we will get 80. Now, x squared divided by 8 by x, 2 minus 1 here, we will get x only, we will get x power of 1. Y square z divided by z square, as mentioned, z power of 1 minus 2, we will get negative 2, negative 1. So negative 1, we put z, it means 1 over z. So we can just put z at the bottom straight away. So this is the answer. So now please try to do question 5 and 6, and we will discuss this during our class time later on. Bye-bye.